powers that see who we are work long hours to ensure that we don't be who we are, but in turn make our seeds want to be superstars that will rap about the trap instead of kneeling to God, rap about they back instead of freedom through art, rap about they cheese in a wig from a doll. It's hard for me to find the strength to not hate y'all, but it's there indeed, cause stress leads to death, and the last thing we need is another human being of color laid to rest by white supremacy. Oh my God, it's hard to see when this is coming to an end. Pop icon trend obsessed with an icon. Best to keep your lights on, your plight's wrong. I said to my daughter, cause of you ought to quit it. Acting like you're here to make young girls feel proud of themselves. As you dissing every sister, you evicted from my home now. Threw money on your movement for my baby girl, cause I ain't one to hate, but now you going all kaleidoscope crack deal on her. It's true I tried to warn her, didn't want to disappoint her, but I knew you was going to. RuPaul tapped Disney drop squad, reclaim blackness, Broadway actors and rap so manufactured, caught up in the rapture of loot, trivial pursuit, leave my hip hop alone with that skip to my loot, my darling. We soaring with that eagle-eye view. We warring, so get hip to a clue that your lips being used, black swan, like a pawn. Please don't get it twisted. I'm not interested in your riches.
It's kind of hard to see with the glare, but we're putting bird netting up. I did all that passing for nothing. I'm wore out.
Really?
Oh, passing sticks. You can't never say I ain't no supportive wife. My soil, where I brought my cuties tree. Hey.
Get them?
Get what? Oh.
I saw the smoking last week.
Oh, the birds. We're putting netting up now.
I see that.
Yeah. They have nests all through here.
That's the first time, right? They were
No.
before, were they?
No. They were coming around, but not setting up camp. Yeah.
See, you're in charge of the rabbits. I'm in charge of the birds.
Well, she's been chasing the birds out too, and the airplanes when they come over there. When they fly in low,
Yeah.
it scares her, and she barks and she thinks she's getting rid of them.
Oh.
I'm not interested in your business. I'm saying kids up here is listening to you.
You know, I didn't start the conversation.
Oh, you never do.
Like he's like, they never did that before, though, right? I'm sure that's what you told him, that they never did.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, so I was like, yeah. I was like, they came through before, but they never set up camp like that. He said, oh, yeah, they weren't nesting before. And I was like, yeah. So I guess that's him just watching our shit enough to know that the birds.
I told you that. I told you about him.
You heard it that time, didn't you? I mean, you hear her bumping into the screen.
Oh, no. You still doing?
Uh-huh. She mad.
You get paid enough?
Cause she doing the outside one, but she only did that one inside that one time. But that's why I got the camera over there in case she comes back. Yep, just got it. Another one come through hollering. Ooh, she ain't happy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Gotta find another home.
Oh, what a morning. We have been doing springtime yard work. In fact, we brought the neighbors out and they engaged us in conversation, me specifically. And after 15 years, it was the first time I've had a conversation with the neighbors. Because Mr.'s always the one outside and talking to people. I've never had a conversation with him, and this is the first time I've even been within yards of him to have a conversation. So he didn't know what, just like he didn't know what I look like. So I have the heebie-jeebies, so I'm going to get in the shower. Make sure nothing has climbed into my scalp. Burrowed is the word that I'm tempted to use in my sweaty and grimy, so let me handle that. It's all the same to you.
Oh, we got a pile of dookie under there too.
Yeah, because you just scared the shit out of me.
No, I didn't.
If your mama don't come get your bitch ass, and when she get here, she better take you far the fuck away, because I'm not here for it. Do you understand me?
She don't mean it.
Do you understand me?
She
You
don't
go
mean
back and tell your mom what I said, bitch.
She don't mean it.
Do you hear me?
It's okay. You can stay.
Because you getting old enough to know better.
It's okay.
I took out your auntie. I'm not beyond aborting you.
She don't mean it.
Look at her eyeballs. Bucking up at me.
Can you fly?
Hold on. Yeah, she can fly. Front. I don't want her on my planter. I don't want her on my planter. No, because she going to fall right on the inside.
Just trust the brother.
Whoa. Good.
That's
Yeah,
what
you
you
walk
wanted,
your
right?
bitch ass out.